To make a plastic bottle mosquito trap, first mark halfway down a 2-liter, 2-quart plastic bottle with a marker. Then, carefully cut the bottle in half at that point using a box cutter. Heat 1 cup, 240 milliliters of water in the microwave until it's steaming hot, then pour it into the bottom half of the plastic bottle. Next, add a 1/4 cup, 50 grams of brown sugar to the water and let the mixture cool. When it's cooled, add a 1/2 teaspoon, 1 gram of yeast to the mixture. The yeast will eat the brown sugar and produce carbon dioxide, which will attract mosquitoes. Now, remove the cap from the top of the plastic bottle. Turn the top of the plastic bottle upside down and place it inside the bottom half of the bottle. Make sure the top of the bottle is above the water line. Tape the edges of the top half to the edges of the bottom half. Finally, place your mosquito trap in a spot where you've noticed mosquitoes. Replace the mixture in the trap every 2 weeks or whenever the bottle is full of mosquitoes.